Está grabando.
¿Está grabando?
¿No está grabando?
Sí.
No, no puede estar grabando. No, ahí sí está.
Uy, una cámara.
Why are you grabbing?
Uy, excelente. Sí se firma. Excelente.
Recording is
Excelente inglés.
Muy bien.
Baby, please don't touch it, though. Okay, it's very expensive and new.
We're not touching it.
It is new.
Hello. Yeah, Mr. Nelson. I want you.
What is that?
¿Ve cómo se ve bien? Control. Se ve bien. Agua. Lapicero.
Quitaste mi puesto.
Libro.
Luna de Plutón. ¿Está grabando?
Staple.
Mi.
Persona. Cuchara. Celular.
Gas, yo quiero.
Livestream. Tijeras. Termo.
Espere, quita.
No.
Sarita.
Liquid paper. Liquid paper.
Cuidado.
Trash.
¿Está grabando?
Sí. Miguel está en la cámara.
People.
I can answer questions about it once everything sits down. Alright. And a hush fell over the room because Miss Peak wants to answer Mama's question. Why, Dad, filming us? That's a good question. Mr. Mouse asked if you could film our film class. Because he wants to see how our classes are going. Okay, not because you, not because you're in trouble. He also wants to see how film classes me too. Okay? Where? Okay. No, we don't have to worry about it. You can just pretend it's not there. Yes, baby. I actually don't know if at this moment it's recording. It is? It is recording now, I guess. So, let's get started. Watch this. Mr. Mouse can see you. You're on camera.
No, but if we are there, he's going to see. He can see paredes and we can see.
Alright.
Okay.
That would be cool. Alright?
That would be cool.
First, though, we need to finish up learning about the different techniques of film. Okay? So, today, I know some of you need to finish up analyzing the different camera techniques we learned. Some of you are done, though. So, because of that, I am going to introduce our next project. So, those of you who are done can get started up. Okay? Our next project is to kind of sum up what we've learned about the 3 C's, color, character, and camera, and write a thoughtful film critique of an animated short. Okay, and of course, you can do this in a very organized way. You could use P, etc. Whoa. Be careful.
What is P?
So,
Point.
Example.
yes, Paulina, nailed it. Okay, so here's this next assignment sheet. There's kind of an outline to help you stay organized. And there's also a scoring guide on the back. This is not due until next week. But if you're done, you can get started. So it says here, your task is to write a film critique choices is in our Google Drive folder. First, you need to decide if you think the animated short you chose is, in fact, creatively using the 3 C's, color, character, and camera, and then convince your audience to agree with your opinion. You'll need to write 5 paragraphs, an introduction, a paragraph for each element, and a conclusion. Your work will be graded on the rubric on the back. Okay? So, yeah, but you'll have like 2.5 class periods to work on it. So I think you could definitely finish in class if you focus. Okay? Yes?
We only wanted that page, but we lost them all.
On the camera scavenger hunt? Why didn't you turn? You didn't turn it into me?
I think so.
Okay, I have them, so I will hand them out. But first, I wanted to show you guys one example. Okay, right here's your critique. It's due February 17th. That's next Friday of over a week and 3 classes to work on it. Here in our Google Drive folder, when you go to 6 Film Culture, you see the 3 C's. Inside there is the directions and the scoring guide. And there's the list of animated short film choices. Okay, some are Pixar, some are other companies. I want to show you an example of my favorite one. It's only 3 minutes. Love bites.
Can you show us another one?
3 minutes. I'm going to not show you another one the whole class, but you guys are welcome once you're finished with your camera analysis. You guys can go and watch them so that you can pick the one you like the best or the one you like the worst for your critique. Okay? This list in links is in Google Drive. That's just my favorite. Because, you know, I love bites. Okay. your choice. First, if I handed out your camera, guys, that means that you didn't quite finish. So first you would need to finish that with your partner. Okay? So please, do what you need to do. You guys have 30 minutes of independent recording. So if you're not finished by your partner, say boss is finished, so you can start.
Y traigo un lápiz para que usted diga. No, no necesito para que no nos vea.
Hola.
Es que póngala donde estaba.
Ay.
¿Y cómo se ve de que me ve?
Se ve re bien.
Las chicas me ven. Voy a hacer que quiero ver si